Students, in this video we will learn how to prove 6 plus under root 2 irrational. You know that 6 plus under root 2 is an irrational number, but in this question, in this problem, we have to prove that 6 plus under root 2 is irrational. So we have the problem and we have to prove that 6 plus under root 2 is irrational. So firstly, student, proof. We take let 6 plus under root 2 is rational. So firstly we take 6 plus under root 2 is a rational number, and if a number is rational, that can be written in the form of P upon Q or A upon B, where A and B are integers and B not equal to 0, and B are co-prime also. So 6 plus under root 2 can also be written as A upon B, where A and B are integers and B not equal to 0. This is the definition of rational number. If a number is rational, then it can be written in the form of A upon B, where A and B are integers and B not equal to 0. So here we have A and B are integers and B not equal to 0. A and B are co-prime also. It means A and B have a common factor, that is 1 only, not other than 1. Now, what we do, this 6 from on the left hand side will go to the right hand side. So here we have under root 2 equal to A upon B minus 6, and B is the LCM here. So we have A minus 6B under root 2 equal to A minus 6B upon B. We have taken B is the LCM, so B is cancelled out. We have only A, and here from here B is multiplied by 6, so we get 6B. Now we have taken that A and B are integers. Since A and B are integers, if A and B are integers, so A minus 6B will be an integer, B will also be an integer. Since A and B are integers, so A minus 6B upon B is a rational number. A and B are integers, so A minus 6B upon B will be a rational number, because if we subtract integer, we get an integer, and B is also an integer. So A and B are integers, so A minus 6B upon B is a rational number, but under root 2 is irrational. A minus 6B upon B rational, but under root 2 irrational. So student, on the right hand side we see that this number is rational. On the left hand side we see that this number is irrational. So this is a contradiction. This is a contradiction because of our wrong assumption. This is a contradiction because of our wrong assumption. that 6 plus under root 2 is rational. The student, we have taken 6 plus under root 2 a rational number, but this assumption is wrong. This is wrong because we have a contradiction here. On the right hand side we have a rational number, on the left hand side we have an irrational number, and they both are equal, so this is a contradiction. Because of our wrong assumption, we had taken 6 plus under root 2 rational, that was wrong. Hence 6 plus under root 2 is an irrational number. So student, in this manner we can prove that 6 plus under root 2 is an irrational number. I hope that all the students could be able to understand that how can we prove 6 plus under root 2 irrational. So for more videos you can subscribe this channel, and you can pursue your study through this channel also. Thank you.